Welcome to the adventure spot. We're getting ready to ride the Scorpion. This will be the first looping coaster that we've ridden without the annoying head restraints. Are you stapled in?
Probably not. Annoying, but comforting. Shoulder restraints.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
There's a comfort to having that.
There we go.
Yeah! You're gonna tell you about this because he's
This might be a little rough. We'll see.
That sun is bright.
Yeah.
Do not raise arms.
That's crazy. It's a good view in the flumes though. You push your hands up with it. Oh no, it stands right
It's got a slanted hill here.
Yep, and then a loop.
Yeah, here we go.
Woo!
Okay, that wasn't bad.
That was fun.
Yeah.
I
That was a lot
more
less.
than I thought I would.
Yeah, that it looked rough.
It wasn't rough at all.
Yeah, it looked rough when you
And-
look at it off ride, but yeah, it wasn't bad.
And I mean, the loop was fun.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more on the adventure spot.